How to check Instagram last seen if hidden. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to check the Instagram last seen hidden, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then all you have to do is just tap on the profile or your DM section. After tapping on DM section, you'll be able to see the profiles that you have had your chat with. So if they have toggled on the option of activity status, then you'll be able to see the notification or the little note below their profile that they were active 2 hours ago or 3 hours ago, they were active 24 hours ago, or just some minutes ago. But if their activity status is hidden or toggled off, then their last send will not be seen and it will be hidden. So if you want to toggle it on, all you have to do is go to your profile and then tap on settings, and in the settings you can just search for activity status. So let's just go for activity status, and here you can toggle this on, and this will allow accounts that you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.